Here's the PCU leak. Looks like one new nut. This Y pipe most certainly was not removed from the vehicle, which has to be removed to get the PCU out. Come over here, two other new nuts. But right here, that nut that's rusted above it, never removed. In order to get PCU out, the rear cat has to come out. If you look over here, you can get a better video of it. That nut for the cat exhaust manifold not removed. Drive shaft does not have any witness marks on it. It does look like maybe there was a leak at the rear pinion side of the transfer case. It looks like it might be cleaned off. You can see over here, that exhaust manifold, bolt and stud never removed. We've never had a socket on it. That's the seal that's leaking. That outer piece is a plastic collar that has to be replaced. Does not look like replaced